back to another video on Budget with Soph. If you are new here on my channel, we do budgeting, we do cash stuff, and we save our coins, and we see where our money goes. So if any of those things interest you to do, go ahead and subscribe to the channel down below. We are a growing channel. I am a single budgeter, and I have a paycheck income for a teacher, former teacher, but now in a new career. So yeah. If those things interest you, do go ahead and subscribe to the channel down below. Let's get into our side hustle cash stuffing for week 2 of April. So let's get into our Erin Condren planner and just figure out what we got for the week 2 of April. So here we have my Erin Condren notebook. We are in week 2. Week 2 is April 5th to the 11th. So let's get out a highlighter just to mark week 2. So we're gonna do yellow. There's no yellow on the week, so I figured might as well. So yellow is gonna be week 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It always does 7 days, so that is week 2. For week 2, we had a paycheck, a side hustle paycheck of $200. So I'll just tell you how this went. So we have drop off in green. So let me get the green marker. We had drop off on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So, drop off. Did I track drop off? I did. So let me do drop off in green here. And then I also tracked babysitting in blue. So that's babysitting. So that is what we did this week. For babysitting, I did babysit. Yeah, that's week 1. Week 2 is in blue. I did not babysit last weekend, but I did this weekend. So we're gonna put it in, let's see. I meant to do this blue, so we babysat here. So that is why we have 200. So that is what we're going to be doing. And that's all we did. My last day was the 12th at my old job. So there's that. I babysat the 13th, but that's for the next paycheck. And I also got a gift, so I'll do the gift plus the paycheck, and we'll do that for week 3 because I did not do any other side hustle. So yeah, just stay tuned for that video. That will be next, and then we'll do another paycheck budget video and then a paycheck cash stuffing video. So yeah, that's what the schedule is looking like next. So let's just get into paycheck 2, week 2 of April. So guys, we have our marker, we have our budget notebook. This is our cash, so let's count it up and make sure that we have the right amount. We have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 7, 98, 99, 200. So we do have $200 here in cash. So let's get it in our tray. These bills are looking crisp. I like that. And I hope we have the right denominations for this cash stuffing. So we are going to go into our savings, automatic savings. So after this week, so April, this should have been April. I'll write it down. I will put this cash stuffing on pause. So I'm gonna write pause April, or I'll just do 4. I'll do the 12, 4/12. So we're gonna pause this cash stuffing, and we'll add this all up, and I'm gonna catch up because I don't have this much money in my savings challenge. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 50. So we should have 750 here before I can start savings, automatic savings again for this. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys on that. So we'll do that. So for our April, I did not write April. Wow, didn't even notice. APR for April, and we are going to do 21. I'll do $21. Sure. For week 2. And we do need our savings challenge binder. For our 52 weeks, we are saving $21. 20, and I'm gonna do a nice one. So $21. $21. So in our 52 weeks, we have 100, 200, 50, 70, 90, 300, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 411? No, 311. $311 in our 52 weeks. Plus we have 1,000 in the bank. So for our Fridays, we are gonna go on. I don't know why I'm so nervous today, but yeah, I feel very nervous. I don't know why. For April, week 2, we're gonna do $25. We're going from bottom to top, I guess, this month. I don't know why, but okay. Whatever works for me, right? Whatever works for you. 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 275, and Fridays. This is growing. I like this. This is not so bad. So for our what's it like outside, today is 4/20 and the day that I am recording this video, so you guys can see that I am behind. 4/20, so happy 4/20 to all my smokers, you know. So it's very sunny outside, not so much clouds, so I'm gonna say 50. Sunny and partly cloudy is also 50, so 50. And for week 2, we are going to save $50 also. So yeah, that's how it's been going, and I like it. I think it was 20, 40, 45, and 50. I think it was very sunny last weekend too. I don't really remember what the weather was like. So for what's it like outside, we have 100, 200, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600, 20, 40, 45, 50. So 550, 450. Wow. I like this cash stuff, and it's moving very fast. It's definitely not a low income. I think this was the high income. So I did a low and a high. So yeah. So for Christmas, I think we're gonna finish this right here. So let me see how much we have in here. Let me grab my calculator real quick, how much we should have in here and how much we should be adding. So we have 50 plus 29 plus 25 plus 17 plus 12 plus 38 plus 19 equals. So we should have 190 in here, and if we don't, we got to figure out 20, 50. Wow. I don't have enough. So that's where I had my mistake, I think. So we have 120. So we need to put 70 bucks in here. Do we have $70? 20, 40, 60, 65, and 70. I guess I can do that. So we finished. That's a lot. I think that's where I made my mistake in the counting in my condensing video. I think that's where my other mistake was. 26 weeks we are not doing, and that is it for our savings binder. But yeah, I really do think that's where the other money came from, because I only took out, so I counted $100 extra, and I put 50 in that, in the what's it like outside envelope. I mean, yeah, it's for the what's it like outside envelope. So I'm thinking that's where that money would be, right? So let's do our 50 weeks. Let's do our 50 weeks. 50 envelopes. 50 envelopes. Whoa, no. We have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. I gotta put $25 in our monthly, and we have, I don't think we have enough to do our 50 weeks, 50 envelopes. So let's get into our monthly, because I did not do that yet. So our monthly, we are in March, and we said we would do $25 each week. So we have 25 already in here for week 1, 25, and then we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So here we go for another 25 weeks, $25, because our goal is 100 for this month. So yeah, that is how that is looking like. And we are going to go into a 100 envelope savings binder, and that will conclude our video today. So we are going to do, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Can't do this. So we are going to go into our low priority. Is it low priority? Going out. Yep. Low priority, we're gonna do $9 into our low priority. And that is it for our video. I am just going to write $9. So 9. I don't know what the balance is, but it's going out, and that's $412. So the balance, let's count our balance just to write it down. I just added these, so 20, 40, 60, 81, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So $118 in our going out envelope. And that is it for this cash stuffing, guys. It was a little, you know, all over the place, but I gave you some updates and just everything that we did. So yeah, we added in our savings binder and our low priority binder. We also added in our monthly binder. But that is it for our video, guys. Thank you so much for joining us, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.